What is the difference between vacation and school year? The difference between vacation and school year is mainly about time and purpose. Vacation meaning a time when student and teacher take a break from school. Duration usually a few weeks or months. Purpose to rest, relax, travel, or spend time with family and friends. Example, I go to the beach during the summer vacation. School year, meaning the period when school is open, the students are studying. Duration 2 weeks or 2 months long. Purpose to learn, attend classes and complete study. Example, during the school year, students study different subjects. In short, vacation equal break time or no classes. School year equals study time or classes and learning. Bye bye, see you in the next video.